to Nice. I'm waiting for my friend to arrive. He should be here in about 20 minutes. I'm trying to figure out how to maneuver from the airport to the city or the airport to Monaco, because I do want to go to Monaco. I found the bus station to Monaco and the tram to the city center, but I can't find the train from the airport to Monaco, so I'm trying to figure that out now and killing time until my friend gets here. We finally made it into our Airbnb. It's about 3 o'clock. We haven't had a proper breakfast or lunch, so now that we've checked in, I met my friend. I'm here with a friend. We're gonna drop our stuff off, get some lunch, and then take the train to Monaco. We'll spend the afternoon there, maybe see the sunset. It's a little cloudy right now. Maybe there might not be one, but we'll see. We're excited to get out and about and explore France. Let me show you what the Airbnb looks like actually. Here's a quick little tour of the living room and kitchen. Then we have the toilet, which is separate from the bathroom, shower, and sink. And here's the bedroom. There's one bedroom with a balcony as well, like in the living room. And over here to the left is the bathroom door and the main entrance.
Is this the right one?
Yeah. I don't know. We've made it to the train station. Luckily there was an American that helped us purchase the tickets at the kiosk. And now we are at the station. Allegedly the train is coming in 15 minutes. Do we know how this train system works? Not exactly, but we're gonna find out, aren't we?
Only time will tell. Only time will tell.
Do you think this train is gonna take us to Monaco?
You don't see who behind us? Where else could we be going? We're not going to Paris.
Catch us there. We got on the train. It was a bit confusing because there's no workers that tell you, hey, take this train, go to this platform number. But we saw the sign that had the timetable and it had Monaco on the list, and then the final destination, and then the next stop. So we're at Niceville. There's another stop in Nice, and then there's maybe 4 more stops till we get to Monaco. So let's hope we're reading the timetable correctly. We'll find out soon. So we have made it to Monaco. We're still touring around. Once we got past the palace courtyard area, we went and got some ice cream. We had lunch before that, and now we're next to the Oceanographic Museum that has a lovely sea view next to it. We're not gonna enter the museum, right? No, we're just going for a stroll, enjoying the views and seeing where the paths take us. We finished our little tour in Monaco. We were here for about, how long were we here?
About 4 or 5 hours.
Damn.
Big tour.
4 hours. We walked around Monaco, Monte-Carlo. What are your thoughts?
For the rich, you know, definitely money in the air, billionaires in the area. I love it here. Great vibes, nice people, good ice cream. No complaints, not at all.
I agree. We saw a lot of money. Nice cars, casinos, stores. Passed by a Versace store when they were giving out cocktails. So yeah, I recommend coming for like a half day.
And great cardio from, probably can't see it over there.
Yeah, we walked a lot. We got our steps in, you can say that. So now we're gonna head back to Nice. Good morning. It is our second day in Nice. We are now off to get some brunch. It is about 10 o'clock. My friend leaves today. I still have the full day. So after brunch, we're gonna go and explore the city. What are your thoughts on the beach?
The plan was to go to the village.
Yeah.
And then the beach caught my side out, my left side, my good side. You know, look at the snow bunnies in the water. You know, it was like, I know village got nothing on there. That village ain't got nothing on the French Riviera.
All right.
It's a wealthy bag, a wealthy Mediterranean bag.
You're right.
That's all it is. Welcome to the Mediterranean bag.
Very true. We got to the train station and there was a long line to buy tickets. We tried to buy them online, but we got an error when trying to pay. And then by the time we got to the ticket booth, we bought our tickets, but we had a 2-minute time difference between getting from the ticket booth onto the train. But we made it. We made it right on time, and here we are. It was about a 12-minute ride from Nice to East. I just dropped off my friend at the bus stop. He took the bus from the promenade to the airport. And when I got there, I was like, wow, this view is viewing. So I just chilled by the water. There were some benches where I sat for a good 30 minutes, but it is hot out there. I'm gonna go to a cafe, get a coffee and a pastry. Then I'm gonna walk the promenade to a plaza and just get lost in the streets out there for a bit, be home before sunset, pack, and figure out what I'm doing this weekend. I'll be back in Madrid tomorrow. I fly out in the afternoon, then I have a layover in Rome, so I'll be home around 8-ish. Hey guys, it is nighttime. I got back from my walking adventures, had dinner at a pizza place or Italian restaurant really near my Airbnb, took a shower, called some people, and now it's time for bed. I have had a day. Yesterday was a full day. Today I was out for like 12 hours. But yeah, my recap on this trip, it was so good. Monaco was nice, even though me and my friend were walking from one side to the other side. Man, it was nice being in the playground of the rich. And then we went to Ez. We've been calling it Easy E because we didn't know how to pronounce it. We couldn't make it to the village, but we went for a swim. I came back, I did my sightseeing. So I'm very, very satisfied with this trip. It was a mix of solo travel and then travel with a friend. So not a lot of people, but you're not alone, which I like. When there's too many people, it can be a little chaotic. But anyways, guys, if this is the end, thank you for watching. Thank you for making it this far. Stay tuned for the rest of my travels and life updates. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Au revoir.